What's up, guys? We are here in Elite Sports Cards. We are doing the filler for Group Break 187 for the Leafs and Lightning. So we're going to go down here. We're going to go live. We're live at 4:01. It's 4:01 here in Denver. We're going to go get this list. Copy. Base, we got Stas on top and Grant on the bottom. Stas on top, Grant on the bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times. Top 2, 1, 2, and timestamp after 2. .402, 402, third and final time, guys. Rick, you get Toronto. Stas, you get Tampa. Congrats, sir. And sir. 2 sirs. Do the last timestamp. .402. Just turned 403. Again, 3 times. Rick, Toronto, Stas, Tampa.